Hello friends, today we are going to understand what is the relative reference and absolute reference in Excel. We will understand this with these three examples. Here what we will try to understand what is a relative reference. Suppose my requirement is that I want the multiplication of these two cells. Similarly these two cells and these two cells. So for this I will simply do multiplication here, this into this, and I will simply copy this wherever I want, and here we can see I have got the required result. So this is a relative reference in which you can simply copy the formula and paste it wherever you want. Now we will check what is the absolute reference. Suppose my requirement is that I want the cell number F5, F6 and F7 to be multiplied by 25. So if I do this way, this into this, if I copy this and paste it, then I am not getting the required result. I should get 50 here and I should get 75 here. To achieve this, I'll do is equal to this. I'll enter F4 here into this. So here I am defining that cell F4 has absolute reference and cell F5 has a relative reference. Now if I copy and paste this, I'll get the required result. Friends, we will explain one more example. Here my requirement is that I want these three cells, that is the cells of column K, to be multiplied by 25, cells of column L to be multiplied by 26, and cells of column M to be multiplied by 27. So how will I achieve that? So here I will require the absolute reference of row 4 and relative reference of all these three. So to achieve this, I'll do is equal to, I'll go to cell K4, I'll press F4, I'll press F4 one more time. Okay, so here you can see there is a dollar sign against row 4. So here I am defining that row 4 will have absolute reference into here into this, and cell K5 will have relative reference. Enter. I'll simply copy this, I'll copy this, paste it here. So friends, we can see that I have achieved the required result. I hope you have understood this very smoothly and easily. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you will have access to all the videos uploaded by me, and in fact all the videos which will be uploaded by me in future. Thank you.